The heat becomes so intense that all the parrots start getting weak from thirst. At that moment, the big heron and his little child decide to help everyone. Both of them dig a big pit in the middle of the desert. They bring water from far away. Then they pour the water into the pit, and the pit fills up with water. Now all the parrots drink water from the pit and become fresh again. Then the big heron brings wood from a tree, and the little heron brings leaves from the tree. Together they build a big house with cool shade. All the parrots come and rest inside it, but the little heron starts crying because no one liked and subscribed.